On YouTube, it's me and your boy Mike, 601 Mud Mafia. This video is gonna be a little short compilation of some of our four-wheelers and whatnot that we ride around, you know, and a mini bike I got too. I just got done building it. It's kind of broke though, so we couldn't get a good flyby on that one. Anyway, yeah, that's what this video's gonna be about. Yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all enjoyed that. We was doing a few flybys just to get a little bit in there, you know what I'm saying, introduce the units a little bit, what we're gonna be doing. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed that. Got the mini bike in the background a little bit of the last one, about 10-second clip of that one. It was just a little bit, wasn't much to that, but anyhow, we'll have more content with that when I figure out the chain and the sprocket situation and the clutch. But anyway, other than that, hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, hit that little bell thing. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Remember, 601 the gang. Ain't that right?
Yeah.